cross-posting your sales video to your business's social channels. Hey there everyone! You've just given a good boost to your YouTube business video by uploading it to your website. And now it is time to boost it through your business social channels too. Now, you just can't drop a link to your video on Facebook and call it a day. So in this lesson, we are going to show you how to cross-post your videos the right way. Here we are going to show you how to use Facebook and Twitter, the best places to share external URLs and generate conversions out of it. Start by shortening your shareable link. The first thing that you have to do is to shorten your video link. This is an important step for two reasons. For one thing, shareable links don't look good on social posts because they're not customized and are long. Second, social media sites decrease the relevance of posts with YouTube URLs because they would rather that you upload videos directly to their platforms. Luckily, you can game that restriction with a shortened URL. The best service to shorten URLs is Bitly. To use it, simply visit bit.ly on your browser. Paste your shareable URL into the Shorten Your Link field. Now click on the Shorten button and copy the shortened link. Save this link somewhere handy so you can share it easily. Cross-posting your video on Facebook. Alright folks, let's start by cross-posting the video on Facebook. This is going to be easy. First, log into your Facebook account and go to your business page. Once on your business page, click on the Write a Post field. What you'll do now is compose a Facebook post to promote your video. Start by adding the video title as the post headline on top. Now in the space, compose a brief description of the video. Make sure to use your keywords and search terms, and to add a call to action to ask users to click on the link to watch the video. Alright, now you are going to paste your shortened video URL below this text. Facebook will fetch a link preview, so click on the close icon to cut it out of the post. What you'll do instead is to insert the video thumbnail as the post image. For this, click on the Photo/Video button. Locate the thumbnail image and then double-click on it to upload it. Now spell check your copy. Check that the URL is correct, that the image looks good in the preview, and then click on the Post button. And that's it! The post looks incredible, and users simply have to click on the link to watch the video directly on YouTube. Cross-posting your video on Twitter. Now you are going to cross-post your video on Twitter. For this, go to your Twitter business account. Once there, click on the Tweet button. When composing your post on Twitter, the strategy is similar to Facebook. Open the post by adding the video title first. Now compose a brief description of the video below the headline, making sure to use your keywords and search terms, and to add a call to action. What you'll do now is to make your keywords into hashtags. Simply identify a keyword and type a hash symbol before it. In the case of search terms, simply put each keyword in the term together and place the hash symbol. This will rank your post on searches for those terms and keywords. Now paste your shortened video URL below the text. Now click on the gallery icon to upload your thumbnail image to the post. Now spell check your post text. Make sure that the link and image are correctly inserted into the post, and then click on Tweet. And that's it! Now your post will benefit from exposure on Twitter too, which is one of the best places to drop external URLs. As you can see, cross-posting your videos on social media is easy, and we highly recommend that you build a strong social media audience to push your content there with these very easy steps.